One of my favorite things about rainwear is the contrast between the boot color and the pant color. So whatever, I'm done talking now. Red one. Getting a lot of sag here. That crinkled thing that it does, and they're a little bigger. I mean, I'm tickled pink about the size of these because I enjoy a variety of ways that this stuff hangs on me. But this one's got a different feel. Like, I could see myself wanting to wear some like latex boxers under here, real tight, and going for the layers thing on this one. Depends on the material though, you know, and the fit. Okay. So cross my heart and hope to die. Baby, I was born to fight the fear when I feel like dying. I'm trying to fly high, but I'm not a pilot, can't deny it. Some days I feel idiotic, just a product of a system where you're lucky just to make a dollar. I don't wanna stop because my drive is contagious. I'll do what it takes to turn my passion to paychecks. And if I go down, I'ma do it on my terms. And every single problem brings a lesson that I learned. The darkest night, when things seem so broken. He's the kitty. Hippie the kitty. Oh, that's a nice one. I kind of endeavored a little bit large, didn't I? I'm thinking, I've only put on 2 pairs of boots with these pants, and I'm already fucking exhausted. So the idea that I'm going to go through 30 pairs of pants, put on 30 pairs of boots, with each pair of pants, make a film of it. It's like, you know, a major Hollywood production to do something like that. So let's get through a few more pairs of boots with these red ones, and maybe we'll put some on with those old Helly pants, those yellow ones, and you know, let's just kind of be a little bit more realistic here. So there's that. I just love that. Kind of starting to get sweaty and sticky. Let's bring in another pair of sheets. Right, so we have this blue. This blue. See if I can pull my pants something like that. Stick out. Whoops. Pretty. It's pretty. Look at how coochie we are. Yeah.
your body starts to warm up, your shit starts to stick to you. If you guys haven't experienced that, I suggest you try. Let's go in with some kind of peachy color. Not much contrast. Yeah. My PVC farts. And they're not coming out my butt. They're coming out of the rainwear, but they're all stuck to me, so. Alright. So we've looked at this for a few pairs of boots. Let's look at them a little bit. This is like a dark. Kind of a metallic red. Up here, anyways. Okay. I'll be peeling these pants off before a wetsuit here soon. What the heck's in my boot? Granola bar wrapper. Oh, kitty.
Sometimes I wonder why you told me
Doing a little workout. These pants. Starting to show up a little bit different on my body now that they're moving around a little bit. Fabric. Alright, let's move on to the curvers. Tomorrow. I kind of like this color combination.
Don't lie to me about your turns to fall in love. What makes you happy, what makes you drown, but what you want and what makes you bad. I'm giving a chance to make things right, but just be honest for once in a while. It was a part of a silly joke, well, isn't fun, it can stand no more. Don't lie to me about your turns to fall in love. What makes you happy, what makes you drown, but what you want and what makes you bad. I'm giving a chance to make things right, but just be honest for once in a while. It was a part of a silly joke, well, isn't fun, it can stand no more. Don't lie to me about your turns about falling in love. What makes you happy, what makes you drown, but what you want and what makes you bad. And give me a chance to make things right, but just be honest for once in a while. It was a part of a silly joke, well, isn't fun, it can stand no more.
It's like 75 degrees outside. Warm in here.